Alright folks, so after a little bit of time and a little bit of effort, we got it done. The dogs are playing with their toys. The swing is set up. As you can see, we got to take that toy from him so I can talk. I got the hooks there so that we can take it down and just put it away, so we can put anything up here, like the bounce castle, the pool, whatever. Here, stop for a second so I can talk, buddy. Want to play with it. But anyways, there you have it. That's a homemade tire swing. And everybody's gonna ask, well, is that sturdy enough? Those bolts I got in there are 8 inches long, so that means that they're 4 inches into the tree. I got one on this side and one on the other side. So anyways, now we're gonna work on switching out some batteries for the truck. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to another video. We are on our way today to Home Depot. We are going to pick up some material to build a tire swing, and then we are heading to Walmart to pick up some material to build, or not build, but bring back the Power Wheels ATV that my son has. We are going to buy the equipment, a new battery for it, and well, what we're going to do is we're going to buy the upper battery, and I'm just going to take the one out of the truck and put it in that, and then put the one that I buy in the truck, basically, because the one in the truck isn't powerful enough. It doesn't seem to go fast enough, so we need it faster. So that is what we are going to do. So let's head to Home Depot first, get the stuff, then we'll go to Walmart, we'll get the stuff, and then we'll head back to the house and we'll start building. Alright folks, so we made it back home. We did get the battery. I got a battery right here. Show that right quick. We got an Everstart battery, much bigger. It's for a motorcycle. All together it came to $90. It was $70 then plus your battery surcharge. Came to 90 bucks. So there's the bigger battery. That's going to go in the truck. Hopefully it'll give them more power, and we'll be good to go with it. So with that said, we are working on the tire swing right now, because that there is so much easy to do. You basically just got to put the liquid in it and away we go. So we're working on the tire swing. I got some hooks here. These bolts, these are going to go through the 4x4 into the tree. Any of you, what do you call it, planet people that save the planet, I'm sorry, but yes, I'm going to drill holes in the tree with the screws. It's not going to kill it. So anyways, and then we got these here, which are going to go into the tire. We're going to put one here, or one there, one here, and then one there, kind of deal, right? So sorry if you can't see that. So we're going to put like one here, and then one here, kind of deal, right? And then the swing, it'll be out of swing. Oh, I forgot to get rope. Good thing I got something I can use. I was going to use it for straps, but I guess today I'm going to use it for the kids. So or maybe I'll run back out and get the rope. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, so let's get started, see how it goes.
Staple. Okay, Tyler? I think he's wrecking it. I don't know. Tyler, never. You can make grass. You can make this.
I can make grass, I can make this.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit on my stapler.
This one right over here.
That's pretty awesome, Dad.
Boom, just like that.
Bam. done.
Okay, folks, and just like that there, we have a hook on there now. So basically that's what I wanted to do, put a hook on there, right? 4x4, that's what you want to go with when you're doing this here. You got to figure you're going to put your weight on it, right? Like I could have went cheaper with a couple 2x6s or something, and it would have done the same thing, but or 2x4s, and it would have done the same thing. But this is just so simple. It's a basic standard, one piece of wood, right? And now what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to stick it through the tree, so it's going to bolt there, and then it'll bolt on the back side of this here part here. So it'll bolt there and then bolt here, and then it'll just hang out, and then the tire will hang from it. So what I got to do is I'm going to have to get some rope, and I'm probably going to get some clevis or whatever you want to call them, the little click, so when you don't want to use the tire swing, you can take it down and put it away, so then they can set up the pool or whatever, you know. So we'll see. As you can see, my grass already, this dog, bad boy, tore it all up already. But anyways, we're trying to keep the grass from being tore up, but this dog just loves to play in the grass. He loves to dig. Well, this guy, he's too busy being excited if you talk to him. But anyways, let's get this up, and then we'll go from there. Alright, folks, so after a little bit of time and a little bit of effort, we got it done. The dogs are playing with their toys. The swing is set up. As you can see, we got to take that toy from him so I can talk. I got the hooks there so that we can take it down and just put it away, so we can put anything up here, like the bounce castle, the pool, whatever. Here, stop for a second so I can talk, buddy. Want to play with it. But anyways, there you have it. That's a homemade tire swing. And everybody's gonna ask, well, is that sturdy enough? Those bolts I got in there are 8 inches long, so that means that they're 4 inches into the tree. I got one on this side and one on the other side. So anyways, now we're gonna work on switching out some batteries for the truck. Alright, folks, so with the truck charging right now, I decided to work on the ATV, get that going. So as you can see, okay, so I bought this part, okay, Canadian Tire. It comes with a fuse, right, built into it, and then all I did was wire it this way so that this connector, like as you can see, I wired it like that, and I got these here, they're called shrink wrap. Basically you put it over it and you heat it up and it just shrinks right to it. Basically it's like a seal, right? And then this here part plugs right into the bike, so it makes it work properly. So I'm not destroying the bike, I'm only destroying the battery, right? That's all I was destroying, is the battery to get this working. These are very expensive, these kits for the shrink wrap. I would suggest if you're gonna use it a lot, buy it. If you're not, black tape. But where they're gonna be, these here are gonna be, you know, years and years of riding. Hopefully, still, I wanted to do it as best as possible. So we're still having an issue with the swing. I'm gonna get to that and fix that after. The rope keeps coming loose, right, from shaking it and stuff, so I got to put clamps on it. So anyways, with that said, I'm just gonna heat this up right now, and then we'll put that shrink wrap on, and then we'll hook it up. We'll get the other battery, we'll plug it in and see if it all works. And there we have it, folks. We are all done with that there. It looks perfect. As you can see, that looks like perfect together. We're gonna hook her up, see if the truck works now. Alright, folks, after long waiting for the battery to charge, finally we got it in there, and she seems to have a little more push to her than the other one did. So we're gonna let him back her up there and give her a little go. And we got the swing working. Okay, cut the wheel and go that way. Hey, back her up. Cut the wheel the other way. No, the other way. Okay. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. You gotta turn the wheel, the driver. Anyways. She's got a little more power in her now. Well, which is perfect, because it was really slow. Like that, I can actually, I think if that gets going full out, I could walk at the same pace as that. The other one just wasn't enough. But anyways, with that said, that is good. The tire swing, we got that kind of sit where we want it. They are playing with that stupid toy again. But folks, that's going to be a wrap for another video. I hope you enjoyed the content. I hope you enjoyed me building that tire swing. For anybody out there that's looking to do it, I mean, that's kind of what the whole purpose of it was to kind of show you guys, the viewers, how to make one pretty simple, you know, for your kids, especially in this time of the thing. You know, like, I mean, you could have saved money on that 4x4 and just strapped it to a tree, right? It's just, I don't have a tree big enough branch to hold it, right? There's branches out there, folks, that'll definitely hold that. Trust me, I know. We, growing up as a kid, we did some dangerous things that they wouldn't even talk about today. But with that said, we got that done for him. We got the tire swing done. We got the truck done. We got to work on the ATV. I don't know if the battery was dead or if there was an issue with the ATV itself. I'm still working out the details. I will get it working. Just like I got the truck working, I will get the ATV working. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget, give it that thumbs up. It helps out. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. We'll see you on the next one.